I don't get this. This is a concept I've never understood. And I just wanted to talk about this. It's become the norm on this app, and I feel like I'm going insane because no one else has talked about it except me, I guess. So for the people that don't use TikTok, let me just explain this to you. Imagine you make a joke, like a pretty okay joke. Now that's a sound on TikTok, right? So since it's a sound, people can reuse this sound and possibly twist it around. So that it's maybe a little bit different, I guess. But most of the time, it's literally just a remake of the same fucking joke over and over again! Why? What are you dumb motherfuckers? Need to remake a joke? An already existing joke! I